Okay. Your circle should be very clear and clean. It is help you a lot. Okay, so now here I can draw one thing. Okay, like this. One. This is eyes line, so I can draw eyes over here. See, one. So this is eyes line, so I can draw eyes over here. Two. See here. Like this. See, I just draw here. Here's the eyes. Okay. Its eyes also looks like a kind of Spider-Man. Okay. So now this is this is the nose line. In the nose line, you just little extend that much, and you can little extend. Always, what are the fast steps I do? I do first in the circle, and no eyes line. This is eyes line, and this is nose line. I do the first step, right? Step one. Step one. Step two. I do this eyes line. I do the eyes line, nose line. In eyes line, I create the eyes. Isn't it right? The second step, I do like this. Step two. Okay. Now step three, I extend that line little bit of, and I join these things. How to create the easy way to your favorite cartoon. So just join like this, and you can join like this. Okay, beta, you just join like this. Okay.
Yes, I have done this.
Okay. Now, just here, this is eyes line. No, here always the position of ear. Okay, beta, this is the ear position. Always the eyes line. This eyes line. No, here is the ear position. Okay, beta.
Okay.
After your position, just here in this middle, here to here, exactly middle here, you start the hairstyle. Okay, exactly middle here, start the hairstyle like 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. See, this is a hairstyle.
1, 2, 3.
Yes, and now you can make it. See, you can make it one line like the 1, 2. First, the basic shape. 1, 2. 1 curve line, 2 curve line. Okay.
Yes, sir, I have done this much.
Okay. Now, after that, you just here you can draw 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is the hairstyle. Okay.
Yes, yes.
How to draw very easy way for body. Little body can show. I just show the little body. Okay, first I make for body, I make first one oval. Here is a mouth is very interesting, no? After you draw this thing, no, you erase all circle and all those things, okay? Before, if you want to wish to color, you erase this nose line and eyes line, okay? Erase it. So otherwise it looks little odd. So here is a nose.
don't have space for this hand, so
Okay. Fine.
I think one more time is it.
Yes. Now I can just bordering. Okay. So just make it nice border. Okay.
Ma'am, and here, sir, anyone has joined.
Okay. I just erasing this extra line. Okay. Like this. So you can make it some border. Okay, step by step if you are using this is the way to your favorite cartoon character you can draw. Okay.
Can I do this dress design?
Yes.